Here at AZSTCU, we'd like to think there is no typical member, and there is no typical service we provide. We tailor each request to best fit our members' needs, whatever those needs may be. We're going to share with you a look into some of our members' requests and the products and services we offered them to best address their situation.
Hi, my name is Angie. My dad works for the state of Arizona. I'm here to open a savings account. This is the profit from my lemonade stand. I do pretty well because I have low overhead. I'm 10 years old, so I think it's about time to start saving.
The account we're going to open for Angie is a share savings account. This is the first account you open at the credit union, and it establishes your membership with us. There are some great features, including e-statements, online banking, and telephone banking, ACH debits, electronic debits, insured up to $250,000, $5 opening and minimum balance.
Hey, I'm Matt, and I need to open a checking account. I'm transferring this fall to U of A in Tucson. My parents live up here in Phoenix, and I'll need to do banking in both places, so I'll be going back and forth a lot. I've had a savings account here since I was a little boy, and now a checking account makes sense.
In Matt's case, opening a checking account combined with our online banking service will absolutely fit his needs. With our checking account, there's $20 opening balance, $0 minimum after opening, $1,000 to earn annual percentage yield, instant issue debit cards and/or checks allowed. Courtesy pay is available as overdraft protection. And because of Matt's commute, he can easily visit branches located in either city or take advantage of our online banking. Some of those features include access to accounts 24/7, no charge for use, bill pay feature, transfers within accounts.
I'm Alicia, an advisor at Arizona State University. I'm carrying a pretty high balance on my credit card, and the interest rate just keeps going up. At this rate, I'll never pay it off. I'd like to apply for a credit card here and transfer my balance.
Getting a credit card is not only an excellent way to pay down other cards by transferring balances, but it's also a great option to help members in times of need. When Alicia is approved for her card, she'll enjoy features such as low introductory rate for balance transfers and purchases, no fee for balance transfers, no monthly fee when paid in full, $20 minimum monthly payment or 2% of balance, payment feature through online banking.
I know my son loves that old car, but Matt's mother and I would feel a lot more confident if Matt were driving a newer, more reliable vehicle, if you know what I mean. And I've always heard credit unions are a great place to get a car loan, and since Matt's off to college now, we thought we'd stop in and check out the details.
Mr. Ryan's right on the money, so to speak, when it comes to credit unions being great places to get auto loans. Here at AZSTCU, we offer features including GAP, Guaranteed Asset Protection, additional coverage that pays the difference or gap between what your insurance settlement pays and what you owe on your loan balance if your car is totaled in an accident. VSA, Vehicle Service Agreement, a dependable extended warranty protection on new and pre-owned vehicles. Debt cancellation protection available in 3 options: loss of life, disability and unemployment, disability and loss of life, or just loss of life to cover loan. Loans for both new and used vehicles. Very competitive and flexible rates. Variety of rates and terms.
As I was saying, Mrs. Johnston and I weren't planning on selling our house so soon, and the first people who looked at it bought it. We really haven't even started looking for a new one yet. You know, it could take a while, but while we're looking, we wanted a place where we could earn a little extra cash with the money we made selling our old house.
Well, remember, hon, we need to put it in some kind of account we can still access, so I could still buy furniture.
A nice fit for the Johnstons would be our money market savings account. It will allow them to make some money on their savings while still allowing Mrs. Johnston limited access to the account for shopping. Some of the other features include higher interest rates than regular savings or checking accounts, money market checking and money market savings accounts available, limited transactions allowed, $1,000 required to open account and earn interest. Available to consumers and businesses.
I'm Jose Juarez, and this is my wife Sylvia. We've been living in Cochise County. We've been living with my brother ever since we moved here from California. But we'd really just like a home of our own.
And we found this beautiful little house. It's sunny and bright, and it even has a garden. We'd like to make them an offer, but we thought it'd be best to be pre-qualified.
Yeah.
Smart thinking. It's always a great idea to get pre-qualified for a first mortgage. At AZSTCU, we offer great options for first-time home buyers like the Juarez family that include adjustable rate and 10-year, 15-year, 20-year, 30-year fixed mortgages available. $25,000 minimum loan amounts. No annual fees or early payoff fees. Available for primary residence or investment properties. Automatic payment option.
My sister Ruth and I were watching a program the other night that talked all about making money on investments. That's why we're here. It's just money we've been saving, but it's up to $6,000 now.
Penelope and I would like to use the money next winter and spend 3 weeks on an Alaskan cruise. We've always wanted to see the glaciers having calves.
Oh dear. I think she's talking about calving. That's where big chunks fall off of the glaciers. It just sounds so exciting. Anyway, we're looking for a place where we can get some return on the money we invest.
While not all investors like Penelope and Ruth have an Alaskan cruise in mind, a share certificate can be a great choice to make the most of your money. Some of the features include $2,000 minimum balance, earn higher interest than in a regular savings account, terms of 3 months to 60 months, insured up to $250,000 by NCUA, no withdrawals allowed during term. Early withdrawal penalty applies if this happens.
I'm Jeanette Harmon, and I'm interested in setting up an IRA account. I know 23 seems a bit young to be setting up an IRA, but I'd like to start saving for my retirement since I'm making a little extra money right now.
It's never too soon to look toward retirement savings, Jeanette. Setting up an IRA is a great way to get started. We have a number of options, including Roth, traditional, IRA CDs, and IRA savings. Some of the features include insured separately from other accounts held at the credit union, up to $250,000. Most members see some tax benefits to this type of account. Talk to your tax advisor for more information. Easy to open.
Our kitchen just looks dated these days. It could really use some new oak cabinets, granite countertops, and some new stainless steel appliances.
I'm not sure if it was the cooking shows or all those home improvement shows, but the missus is bound and determined to remodel. I think we need to look into a home equity line of credit.
I have a feeling Mrs. Gusterson will be watching even more television cooking shows once her kitchen's redone. For them, a home equity line of credit is a perfect choice to remodel. It's also a great option for those pesky home repairs and debt consolidation. Some of those highlights include $10,000 minimum, $200,000 maximum. Revolving line of credit secured by the equity in the home. Minimum payment is $75. Must be owner-occupied. No investor-owned properties. No early payoff fee. Can be used for cash, debt consolidation, or home improvement.
You may have heard of my shop, Virginia Mason's Design. Because I'm a single mom, I wanted to start saving for my children's college funds. Besides the fact I'd like to start planning for my own retirement. My business is doing really well right now, so could you tell me what options I have available?
In Mrs. Mason's case, the investment and retirement services can help her save for her kids' college fund while also saving for her own retirement. Some of the features include highly qualified financial advisors. All sorts of financial investment products are offered, such as mutual funds, stocks, bonds, insurance, and annuities, in addition to traditional credit union products. Easy access to advisors at the branch. Legal Shield help, identity protection, and long-term care products available. College 529 plans. Here at AZSTCU, we're here to help you through every step of your journey through life. For more information about the products and services we've discussed, please refer to AZ InfoSource.